Challenges and solutions for document processing in various industries. Challenges. Time-consuming document processing. The process of reading and converting documents into a structured format is highly time-intensive. High volume of data. Managing and processing a large volume of documents presents significant challenges. Meeting SLA. Handling high volumes and complex data makes it difficult for SMEs to meet the agreed service level agreements, SLAs. Semi-structured and unstructured data. Dealing with various formats complicates the data processing. Human errors. Manual handling of documents is prone to errors, further complicating the process. Challenges and solutions for document processing in various industries. Document classification. Utilized a classifier to categorize documents based on their type, streamlining the initial sorting process. Data extraction. Employed advanced features in document automation to accurately and efficiently extract data from documents. Benefits of document automation. Faster processing. Automation handles large volumes of documents quickly, saving significant time compared to manual processing. Fewer mistakes. Automated systems reduce human errors, particularly in repetitive tasks like data entry or calculations. AI-powered. Leveraging AI enhances the accuracy and efficiency of the automation process. Cost savings. Automation reduces labor costs and allows employees to focus on more critical tasks. Better compliance. Automated processes adhere to rules accurately, ensuring compliance with legal and regulatory standards. Easy access to data. Automation organizes documents in a way that makes them easy to search and retrieve. Scalability. Automated systems can handle increased workloads as the business grows, without the need for additional resources. Happier employees. Automating tedious tasks allows employees to engage in more interesting and meaningful work. Better customer service. Faster and more accurate processing leads to quicker responses and increased customer satisfaction. Real-time updates. Automation provides up-to-date information instantly, aiding in quick decision-making. Consistent quality. Ensures tasks are performed consistently, maintaining high-quality output. Applied industries and document types industries. Third-party administrators, TPA. Manufacturing. Power sector and finance. Document formats. Invoices. Purchase orders, PO. Goods receipt notes, GRN. Hospital and medical bills. Acknowledgements. Proof of delivery, POD. Summary. Implementing document automation and robotic process automation, RPA, significantly improves business operations by making them faster, cheaper, and more reliable. This leads to enhanced employee and customer satisfaction through streamlined processing, reduced errors, cost savings, and better compliance with regulatory standards.